So growing up as a kid and living in my parents' household, we've always had cats, and we live right out. We live like almost in the country, not quite there though. And there's a lot of birds, and growing up, I seen a lot of carcasses of little birds like sparrows. The cats would catch the birds and eat their heads off. And if you ever notice on a bird, their heads are what controls everything about them. Their wings, their bodies. So most of the cats I've seen that caught birds, the first thing they did was eat the heads off, and they leave the body. I was talking to this one gentleman in the city. He said he's scared to death of pit bulls. This guy's like 6 foot, 6 inches tall, about 300 pounds. He said, pit bull when he was younger, he was still a big dude, but a pit bull got him, took his ass down. He ain't never got his life back. He's still alive, I guess, but pit bull snatched him. He said he's scared to death of pit bulls, and he lives in the city. There are a lot of pit bulls in the city, and then, yeah, he makes them little. It looked like a little like, and he's a big dude, and he if he sees a pit bull, he's running in the house. He's scared of pit bulls. So, and you ever notice about pit bulls? As what's the most aggressive part on a pit bull? Their heads. So, yeah, and cats. Every time they catch a bird, eat the head off, leave the body. And then there goes that bird. Oh, that pit bull took that man down. He ain't getting his life back. I've never been attacked by a pit bull. I've been around plenty of pit bulls. Pit bulls are friendly with me. I don't know why. I've never, I've been around plenty of pit bulls that you would think would have ate me up, but it was like they see me are like, oh, there's him, and they didn't care about me. But I mean, I was when I was a little kid, that damn big ass pit bull, one of them aggressive pit bulls, that thing tried having sex with me. The dude goes, slap that damn dog. I said, I'm not slapping that dog. You know, that dog will bite me. I just threw the dog off. It's like a big ass pit bull, man. That thing should try having sex with me, skirt the shit out of me. He's like, slap him. I said, hell no. I just threw the dog off of me. I was like, damn. That dog jumped on my back and started trying to do his thing with me. This son of a bitch. We was out in the country. I didn't know any of them people. None of them. They're all older people. They just scared the shit out of me. They like slap it. I was like, hell no. But yeah. That's how people, a lot of these women that invited me to their apartments and houses, said, hell no. Why? I said, cause you got pit bulls. To go, oh, we won't let our dogs, we'll keep you safe. I said, so no. I'll go somewhere else where I'll be safe. Hell no. Hell no. Girls, oh, come on, I'm gonna let my dog take you. I'm like, oh, sure. Have a good day and night. Bye. Hell no. Pit bulls are friendly with me, but I still, I just don't want to take a chance. All it takes is one time, and then you have it done. So, but yeah, the little kitty cats, man. Little kitty cats. Jump up in the tree, catch the bird, get on the ground, eat its head off, and that's the end of the bird. Well, damn.